live at Koda's final funeral right here in Takoradi. Here we are live at Koda's funeral right, Takoradi, ICGC. So the activity has already started inside the church. So very soon we'll go inside to the church premises, so that the auditorium, so that we will see everything that is going on here. So stay tuned. Here, this is our brother Koda, one of the powerful gospel musicians ever in Ghana. His final funeral right ongoing here, live at Takoradi and live on Laud TV. So keep watching. Very soon we will give you details and everything that is going on here. Okay, the venue location is we are live at ICGC King's Temple, the secondary Takoradi, just behind the Jumakuman Press. So you just ask around the Polytechnic, Takoradi Polytechnic, Jumakuman Press. So you just ask that location, Jumakuman Press. Secondary Takoradi Road, behind the Takoradi Polytechnic. That is where we are live now. So if you want to join us, you may come. Mr. Eric, you say the location. So that is the location. So we are on the way. It has already started. So you see, we have a whole lot of people here. So if you want to join us, please hurry up. That is Kofi Owusu, Dia Anto, that is Koda. His final funeral right, Kofi Owusu Bia Anto, abbreviated Koda. Okay, so that is the 1 week funeral ongoing Takoradi, Sekondi Takoradi Road. Sekondi Takoradi Road, behind Ejumakuman Press. That is where the final funeral rite is ongoing. So you see, everything is set. Bloggers are around, media men, everybody is here. So you just join us live on Laud TV. We give you nothing but the best. So Mr. Eric, if you want to join us, that is the location. That is the location. So you may just come here. We are the funeral celebration is ongoing. We've just started, so you may join us. So you see people coming in. So we've just started the occasion, so you may come. That is the location. Ejumakuman Press, Sekondi Takoradi Main Road, behind Takoradi Polytechnic. Or let me say adjacent Takoradi Polytechnic. So the church service has started already. So it's left with the other activities. So don't go away. We'll give you everything that is going on here live in Takoradi, Ejumakuman Press, behind Ejumakuman Press, King's Temple, ICGC. That is the location. So if you are around Takoradi Sekondi Metropolis, you may join us here live. Laud TV, we are live here too as well. So don't forget to join us. So that is the church service ongoing. So you see people are still coming to the occasion, and it will be very nice to be here with us. So don't go away, stay with Laud TV. Everything is live and colored here. Hello.
Amen. On behalf of the Keff family, I'd like to thank the Lord and thanks to the senior pastor and father, Reverend our mother, our booking and the entire church, the elders, the ministers of the gospel, presence, sympathizers, the mothers, the family, supporters, second half of our brother, our husband, our son, I would like to see the main floor on the 6th of July, ICC Church in Accra, Center Street, the Koda. Time on the 6th of July.